Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. I have Fridayy for you, a great artist with deep, good voice, strong voice, and he sings below zero for us. So this is a song that fits guitar very well, so don't hesitate if it sounds hard. It's actually very easy. We have one chord progression that just rolls in the same way through the entire song. Let's go into it. No need for any capo here. Let's look into the chords, and we're gonna start with G first. Alright, so G goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. We have the D F chord next. That is a D chord, but with this F sharp in the bass. And we have two different versions of it. At this point in the beginning of the chord progression, it's nice to go with this version of it, all right? So it comes very natural from the G to this. So that means you're gonna play 2nd E, open A, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. But later on, you have to play that, or this is the more accurate DF version. So that's a short little bar on the 2nd fret. You push down 4 strings if you count from bottom up like this. That's what I do. And then I also add 4th fret on the D string, and then 3rd fret on the B string. Okay? So this is played in the end of this chord progression. We're going to come to that. But you have two choices here. You can go with this version in the beginning as well. Okay, so it's up to you. It's just more convenient with the first version of it. So that's that. Next chord will be E minor. And that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. And we also got the A minor. That will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. So we're gonna look into the chord progression, and that will be G, then the D F of your choice, then E minor, then A minor, G, and D F. And like I said, the last D F, you go with this version. You can go with that version on the first as well. It's up to you. Now, how do we handle these chords? Let's learn the strumming pattern. So if we go back to the first chord, G, we have a strumming of 4 downs like this. Or, so it's either 4 downs or down, down, clap, down. So the 4 downs, if you play that, you're gonna play on the bass strings for all of these downs except from the 3rd down. So that 3rd down you're gonna play on the higher strings. So bass, bass, top, bass. That is one strumming round if you just go with downs. Like this. Or with the clap, that clap happens at that 3rd down. So you just replace that with a clap, so that will be down, down, clap, down. All right, so you're gonna play G, 1 string around, the D F 1, and E minor 2. Then A minor 1, G 1, and D F 2. Like this. G, D F, E minor, A minor, G, and D F. Again. And that's basically it. If you want to play next level, you can also incorporate a short little melody, and that is played between the E minor and the A minor. So what you do here is to play just E minor 1 round, and this melody replaces the 2nd round of strumming of E minor. So you play the G1, the DF1, and E minor 1 like this. And sometimes comes the melody, and that will be 4 notes. So it's open G, 2nd G, open B, and 3rd B. So after that, you just continue with A minor. So it will be like this. And so on. All right, you can also play a second melody. Actually, it's just 2 notes, and it happens maybe just once in the song. At the same time here, you're gonna play E minor 1, and then you just play 2 notes, and that will be the 2nd fret G string and the open B. And then you continue with A minor. So in a context, it goes like this. And so on. And that's it, guys. Fridayy, Below Zero. This is Gordon Guitar teaching you how to play guitar. A nice channel for everyone who wants to learn that. So stay here, subscribe to this channel, like this tutorial if you wish, and be back for next upload. Till then, play tuned.